We've also been watching closely the progress of a COVID-19 vaccine for children. It is something that could be approved and happen within days now.
Yeah, a lot of parents have been watching this closely. Vaccine providers across Indiana now getting ready for that rollout. As soon as the shot is approved for children between the ages of 5 and 11, health leaders want to start vaccinating children as soon as possible. Fox 59 State House reporter Kristen Eskow joining us now from the newsroom. Kristen, what do parents need to know right now?
Well, Dan and Fanchon, vaccine providers and local health officials tell me there will be enough supply of the Pfizer vaccine available for any family who wants to get a younger child vaccinated. Now, that matches what we heard yesterday from state health leaders. In the meantime, doctors are working to address any vaccine hesitancy parents may have. As Indiana prepares to vaccinate some of its young Hoosiers against COVID-19, several providers say the first shipments of Pfizer doses for kids ages 5 to 11 could arrive early next week.
As far as I've been told, there is plenty of vaccine to go around.
Elizabeth Swearingen of the Johnson County Health Department says her team is looking at ways to accommodate kids at its current vaccine clinic. But those clinics won't be the only option for families. Children's doses will also be available at pediatricians and family doctors' offices across Indiana.
The primary care physicians are the ones who are most able to provide the appropriate information to patients and especially parents of pediatric patients.
Family doctor Paul Driscoll of Franciscan Health says he expects those offices will open more appointments specifically for COVID-19 vaccinations. He urges parents to talk with their pediatrician if they have concerns about the vaccine or the approval process.
It's been reviewed extensively by both FDA and CDC. I certainly, if I had children that age, I would be getting them vaccinated right now. In fact, my grandchildren are going to be vaccinated fairly shortly as soon as it's available.
As health officials work to make the vaccine as accessible as possible to children and their families, some counties are working to ramp up clinics in schools. Christine Stinson oversees the Wayne County Health Department.
Not only the COVID, but flu and all the other very, very important childhood immunizations every semester available at the schools.
Now, the FDA is expected to make a decision on emergency use authorization this week, and then it would head to the CDC for approval. Now, we could see the first doses of the vaccine being administered to kids in the 5 to 11 age group as soon as Wednesday. Live in the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, Fox 59 News.
Kristen, thank you.